How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to increase your push-up reps for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So to increase your push-up reps, you guys, what you need to do, I actually trained the push-up seriously. Literally all I did was try to increase my push-up number. I can do, at the time when I was training specifically for push-ups, I could do 150 push-ups in a row. So a lot of people can't even do 30 push-ups in a row. So what it comes down to is training the push-up every other day. That is very important. You want to train Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, every other day, you guys. Day one is going to be a volume day. That whole day is literally just accumulating total amount of push-up reps. It does not matter how many push-ups you do in a row. It just matters the total push-ups you do for the workout. So if you can normally do, say, 30 reps in a row on the push-up, I recommend doing sets of 10. So do 10 sets of 10 reps, 100 total repetitions. So let's say that's Monday. Tuesday, you would take a break. Wednesday would be an intensity day. You literally just do as many push-ups in a row as you can for 2 sets. So the first set, let's say you get 32 push-ups in a row. You would wait about 5 minutes and then do one more set. Say you get 30 push-ups in a row. Normally your second set, you're going to get less than the first set because you're tired. After that, that's Wednesday. Thursday, you're going to take a break. Friday, you're going to do a volume day. The key here, though, is to do more total push-ups than what you did on Monday. Monday, we said to do 10 sets of 10 reps. On Friday, I want you to do a total of 105 reps. So you can still do the 10 sets of 10 reps, but then add in a final set of 5 reps. That will get you 105 reps. You literally just continue doing this. As you accumulate more and more and more volume, your number of total reps that you can do will slowly go up. Eventually, you'll do 40 reps in a row, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That is all you have to do, you guys. It's basic programming. That's how people make bodybuilding and powerlifting routines. It's just manipulating volume and intensity. That's it. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.